Hey guys, it's me, CrazyMan329005, and today I will be playing Cluster Truck. And I've actually played this game a lot now, and I have played through all these games and all these levels. I don't know if this is the last level, but I'm just going to go back to let's go to Forest. So let's start at level 1 here. And guys, I'm pretty good at the game. So if this can load. Sorry guys, it's being laggy. I'll be with you. Okay, never mind. Here we are. Okay, so we just gotta jump out on these trucks. Actually, now I remember it. This one level was actually really hard. So let's just try and do this. Ah! Grapple. Okay, I can do this. I've already done it before, so it should be pretty easy. Just takes a couple of tries for every level, so. But I'm dumb and don't know how to play the game. It's kind of hard to commentate though, so let's just jump over that. There we go. Then let's slow-mo, grapple. Oh! There we go. There's the goal. No! Just grapple to here. And jump. Grapple. No, oh, that was lag. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was lag. Oh my god. Suck at this game. So bad. Oh! Nope. Whoa! How do you guys like my new intro? It's going to be really stupid, but it's my new intro. Oh no! Grapple! Ah! Slow-mo! Nope. Will I ever complete this level again? I don't know. I mean, I've gotten pretty far in the game, but maybe I don't know. Let's just grab this truck. Let's jump. Here we go. Victory is ours, I think. Yeah, boy. That's the first level of that one right there. And the two combos I use is slow-mo and grapple. It's really good. If you have this game, use that combo because it's probably the best one. Oh yeah, this level is pretty hard. I try hard at this game for a day, and I got so far. I still play it often. I'm playing it right now, so. Oh, there you go. Ah, there we go. Boom! Completed the level. We get no score for this one though. There we go, get to this one. I think this one we had just okay. It's just jumping across. Nope. Let's just keep on going across these trucks just like this. We could probably just slow-mo across these trucks like a boss. But oh no! I think I'm going too fast, right? Phone just notifications. Okay. One of you guys commented on my video, and shout out to Vibzy. Cool intro, subbed. Could you sub me back? I will do that right now. I hope you wanted to be shout out. I'm sorry if you don't want to. Let's just go to your channel. 69 views. Nice. That will be 270 for you. If you could give me a shout out, Vizme, could you please give one back to me? I'm just kidding, but it'd be nice though. I'm a very small YouTuber. Leave a like, guys. Comment. And that's all I'm gonna say. Let's just see this. Okay, nice. It looks like you upload good content, so shout out to you. All subscribers, subscribe to him, please. Calling out all subscribers, subscribe to him. Here, oh, I wasn't paying attention. This one I actually beat pretty easily. It was just like this, and boom, boom. Oh, oh, nope. There you go. It was a long level though, so let's just grab it here. Okay. We got this. It's only the second level when I'm on like level 7 or 6. I think it's 6. I don't know if it's the last level or not though. Probably gonna have to look it up. So here we go. Whoa! No, that was stupid. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Visby, it seems like you're doing well on YouTube. And yeah, I sub you back, but please give me a shout out. It'd be very delightful if you did. Thank you. Oh, no lag. No lag. Did you see that lag? Oh my god. I would have completed that level as well. Oh no. Sometimes it's just not that good for me. No. Wait, I think I remember playing this level and I would just go over it. No. It must have been a different level, because like in one of the levels when it was like this, I was able to go under the first one. Leave a like if you like this game, if you want me to do more gameplay of this game, maybe in the harder levels, even though I'm failing at this level right now. And yeah. Oh. And then there we go, come on. Oh my god. Sometimes I just suck at life. Oh, nope. Oh god, I'm able to grapple up onto these things. Wait, oh. In one of the other levels, I was able to grapple up to the high things and I wouldn't be killed. But apparently I'm not in that. There's a strategy that I use. Just keep on doing this. I need a slow-mo on this. I can't just keep on freestyling this right now. So let's just do some slow-mo up in here. Guys, if you're new to the game and you don't know how to do the controls like slow-mo or whatever, it is just right-click for the slow-mo and everything. For right-click for like the slow-mo in that category, and for the grapple it's just left-click, because it says like do like click RMB or something. Well, no, like press RMB when you first get it, and you probably don't understand what that means. It just means right click or left click. So there's just a helpful tip for you in tutorial as I'm playing this. Oh no, I'm so close. Suck at this game, but I don't know how to pass this level. Let's just do that, do that, do that. So I could have grappled, but I didn't. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, the skill. Nope, no skill. I have no skill. What am I talking about? Oh. Got nothing on me. Yo! Yo! That was some good stuff right there. That was only 3 levels. It's been around 10 minutes of this recording now. Guys, I will see you next time in another video uploading tomorrow, or maybe even another video today. And I'll see you next time. And see you next time. I've already said that like 5 times. But yeah, I will see you next time.